Tobacco is one of the most widely consumed agricultural products in the world, with over 100 million people directly involved in its production and processing. The global tobacco industry remains a major economic force. Every year, billions of cigarettes, cigars, and other tobacco products are consumed across various countries, with leading markets including the United States, China, India, and Brazil. Despite rising health concerns, the demand for tobacco continues to fuel a billion-dollar industry that supports millions of livelihoods worldwide. The scale of tobacco consumption is staggering. According to recent reports, over 6 trillion cigarettes are smoked annually, making it one of the most traded commodities on the planet. The rise of smokeless tobacco products, such as chewing tobacco and snuff, has also contributed to market expansion, creating diverse new streams for farmers and manufacturers alike. To keep up with global demand, modern tobacco farming has undergone significant transformation, utilizing innovative agricultural technology that boosts efficiency and yield. Let's dive deeper into how farmers are growing and harvesting tobacco using the latest techniques. Tobacco farming requires precision and expertise to ensure high-quality leaves that meet industry standards. Today, farmers are implementing climate-smart agricultural practices to optimize production. These methods not only improve productivity, but also contribute to sustainable farming practices. One of the most significant advancements in tobacco farming is the use of precision agriculture technology. Farmers now rely on drones, soil sensors, and AI-powered monitoring systems to track plant health, soil moisture, and nutrient levels. Additionally, greenhouse tobacco cultivation is gaining popularity, allowing for year-round production under controlled conditions. Another game-changer in tobacco farming is the use of genetically improved seed varieties. These seeds are designed to withstand harsh climates, pests, and diseases, leading to higher resistance and improved quality. With the adoption of these cutting-edge techniques, farmers are producing premium-grade tobacco leaves that meet international quality standards. Once the plants reach maturity, it's time for the next crucial step: harvesting. Tobacco harvesting is a highly specialized process that determines the final quality of the product. Traditionally, leaves were harvested by hand, requiring skilled labor and time-consuming efforts. However, modern agriculture has revolutionized this process with the introduction of mechanized tobacco harvesters. These machines carefully pick the leaves at the perfect stage of maturity, reducing waste and maximizing efficiency. The harvesting process usually begins with priming, where the lower leaves are picked first, followed by the middle and upper leaves over several weeks. This method ensures that only the most mature leaves are collected, maintaining their flavor and nicotine content. For large-scale farms, automated harvesting equipment speeds up the process, allowing farmers to cover vast acres with minimal labor. Once harvested, the leaves undergo curing, a critical stage where they are dried under controlled conditions. The leaves are bundled and transported to processing factories, where they are prepared for manufacturing. Factories now use automated tobacco leaf sorters that can scan and categorize thousands of leaves within minutes. These high-speed machines reduce human error and maintain consistency in grading. Slicing of leaves, a crucial step for cigarette and cigar manufacturing. Additionally, automated rolling machines produce thousands of cigarettes per minute, streamlining production and reducing costs. Another breakthrough in tobacco processing technology is the use of AI-driven quality control systems. These systems detect defects in leaves and finished products, ensuring that only top-quality tobacco reaches the market. Tobacco farming is a lucrative business, especially for countries that export premium quality leaves. Nations like Cuba, the Dominican Republic, the USA, and Brazil dominate the global market with their high-grade tobacco. For farmers looking to scale up their production, investing in modern farming techniques and efficient processing technology is the key to success. With the continuous evolution of the tobacco industry, there is a growing emphasis on sustainable and ethical farming practices. Many companies are now adopting eco-friendly methods to reduce environmental impact, ensuring the industry remains viable for future generations. As consumer preferences change, tobacco farming will continue to adapt, creating new possibilities for growers and manufacturers. And that wraps up our deep dive into the world of tobacco farming, harvesting, and processing. We've explored everything from the latest farming techniques to the advanced machinery revolutionizing the industry. The global demand for tobacco remains strong, and with technological advancements, the industry is more efficient and profitable than ever before. Your support helps us bring you more informative videos on the latest trends in the farming industry. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy farming!
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.